So hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm gonna make a data exploration in SQL, and this is gonna be my second video concerning the data exploration in SQL. Today I've got some business questions and I will try to answer to those business questions. So to do that I'm gonna use the database AdventureWorks DW2020, and from here I'm gonna use tables which is going to be related for my further analysis. So the first, let me paste the questions. So we have got 10 questions over here, and I will try to answer to those 10 questions. So let's start in that case. Let me make a border first. Over here, I'm just getting these. And the first question is, what is the total revenue of the company? So I will paste over here. And I say for this, I'm going to use fact internet sales. So I say select from fact internet sales. And over here I say sum sales amount as total revenue. Now let me highlight and execute this. So let me format so the numbers will be more readable. Format, and I'm gonna make it C0 and close it. Let me get it. And the currency, let me change the currency, set language English. Let me do this. Yeah, I think it's okay now. As you see that we have 29,358,677. That's our total revenue. Now let's come to our second question. We got the second question. Let me make a border this so we can definitely see. Paste over here and say what is the year between last year. Let's check what years we have. It says select um, from bin date, and let me see this all. Let me get that. So to see the calendar year, we got this, and we say distinct calendar year. Let me get that. So we have 2019. Let me order this. Order by calendar year. Now let me run this. So we have to find out the late year is going to be 2020 and the previous year is going to be 2019. So what is the year over year between the late year and previous year? So our late year, as I mentioned above, is going to be 2020 and our previous year is going to be 2019. Okay, now let me do this comment, and from here I say select mm, select from fact internet sales. From here we say sum, and we say sales amount, and that's going to be revenue for the last year 2020, and we say where the order date key in, we say select from the date, we say date key, and then where a full where year. Yeah, we got this. In, or we can just say where calendar. Yeah, let me do this. Where calendar year in. Sorry. We say select from bin date max, and it's going to be calendar year. Let me get this from here and do this. Let me check. So this is going to be, yeah, this for the latest revenue. and we'll just copy this and we'll paste over here, and from here we'll subtract 1, and this is going to be 1 year, and this is going to be previous year. And now let me make it as query. It allows it as A, come over here and do the same here, come over here and do this B. From here, it says select from, say, let me change this. Sorry, that's going to be 2019. Allows it as, let's put it allows. Let's do this. So here it says select revenue 2020. Then I say revenue for 2019. Revenue 20, subtract revenue 2019 as diff revenue year over year, diff revenue, yeah, diff revenue. And let me do the same. I say revenue 2019 divide by revenue 2019, and say -1. So I think everything is ready. Let me just execute this. Yeah, say diff as diff percentage. Yeah, now I think it's okay. Let me do this. Yeah, let me round this. So, sorry, it's going to be C0. Oh, okay, we cannot do this. So that's not what. So now we got the revenue for 2020 and we got a revenue for 2019, and the difference between them and the percentage. As we see that the revenue for 2020 has slightly decreased by 21, by almost 22 percentage comparing the 2019. So that's going to be our second question. Let me make the query also more beautiful and readable. Edit. Okay. So now it's okay. Let me do this the same for this. So it's okay now. Now let's get our next question. That's going to be our third question, and I will copy this. I come over here and paste it. Before that, I come. Sorry. Control. Okay. Control Y. Come over here and just make border. So it's okay. Now, what is the revenue of the company by years? So now to do that, I'm gonna say select from select. Let me select from fact the internet sales, and I say select from thing date. Let me see the both tables over here, and so from here I'm gonna get the I get the order date key here. Where is the order date key? Sales amount from our second. So we'll get date key, and then we'll get the full. Now I think it's okay. Now we're gonna join this. Say, select from, join this, and I say left join. And I'm gonna do this B. Let me make small, and from here say year, and then I got the full, and then some sales amount is total revenue. And from here I say group by this. So order by, let me do that, order by year. It's going to be this. Let me do the, oh sorry, here on a order date key, and it's going to be B date key. I think now everything is fine. Let me execute this. Years, period of years. I just say like, erase it like this. Yep, let me format this so the numbers should be more readable. This, I got that, and I say C0, close parentheses, and erase it as it is. Now you see total revenue for 2017, and we got a total revenue by for 2018, and so on. Let me make this a little bit beautiful so it can be more readable. Okay, now let's get our first question. This is going to be, let me come over here. And first, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna border this, and I paste over here what is the best product in the United States. So to do this, I gotta select from fact internet sales and select from sales territory, name sales territory. So I have to see how we can join them. So what columns do we have for join? Sales territory key, okay. And we need also product. Yeah, let us get the product as well. Select from the product. So we're gonna join 3 tables if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it should be like this. So where is our cert? So we got this all in. Now let me see the first, what is going to be our first sales territory key. And now from here, I'm gonna get the sales territory key, and I got the product key, and then I got sales amount. And then from our second table, so I'm gonna get, what is our, oh sorry, this, and this is going to be our sales territory. From here we got sales territory key so that we can join tables, and the second is going to be sales territory country. I think this is enough, and let's come here, and from our search we do like this, and from our, we get the product key so we can join tables, and then we got the English product name, English product name. Let me see English product name distinct from the product, distinct English product name. So let me see kind of products we have. Chain, cable lock. Let me count this. So count. Let me get that. Just to get this. Oh, sorry. Yep. To this. 504. Okay. It's clear now. So this thing. Count English product name. Let me do this again like this. Okay, there is something. Okay. Now we got this, we got that, and from here we say select from. Here we got A, and come here, say left join. It's going to be that's going to be B on A sales territory key equal to B sales territory key over here. So left join, and let me erase it, make it subquery as C, and say A equal to order equal to product key equal to C product key. And from here, I'm gonna choose English product name, and I say sum. Oh, we got that. Then we say sales amount as total as revenue. Let's place it as revenue, and we say here group by English product name. From here, we say we country country equal to United States. Now, what is the best product in the United States? And over here, you say order by second. Sorry, order by second. You say descending. Now, let us get these. Execute that. Now, we can even take top 5. For example, we say top 5 best products in the United States. Let me execute this. Now, over here, we got a best products in the United States. So this one, let me round this. So not like decimals. Now, see. Now over here we have a top. We can even say the other countries. For example, we have Canada. Yeah, if you want to see which products are best in Canada, then we come over here. We got for Canada. I think this is also the same. We can even see in Canada or in the United States and in Canada. For example, we say in United States and say Canada. Now we got over here run the query, and this is going to be for United States and Canada. Okay, let me get that. Just delete this. Let me put it like this. So that's going to be for the United States. So now we got the answer for this, and let's come to our next question. This is going to be the 5th question. Let me copy this and paste over here. So I do the same. Let me check this. Yeah, I do the same. And the question is going, let me make a border first over here in the NC. What is the year over year, the whole years of the company? Oh, so now I have to find out the year over year, the whole shares of the company. So to do this, we say select. We're going to use 2 tables, and this is going to be the first one is going to be fact internet sales table as we used before, and the second one is going to be dim date. So let me from fact internet sales, and the second one is going to be select from dim date. Let me highlight this and run the query in the year over year. So we just come over here, we do the same for the second now table, and let me come a little bit down, and from here I got the date, order date, in the sales amount from our dim date table. We got the date key, And then we got full alternate key. I think this enough, or you can even get the calendar. It doesn't make at all. So from here I say select from, and let me erase it A as we did before, and then say left join into the same B on A, left join, come over here on A order date key. So select from order date. Now let me get this on A order date key equal to B date key. Now from here we say year, and then we got the full alternate key as period of, let me erase like this, period of years, and then we got some this sales amount as revenue. Now we got this, just copy this, say group by year. Let me make this more readable. So okay, now it's more readable. Let's come out of this. So let me run this. Now it's okay, but let me do this around. So let me check once more again. It's okay. And from here, I just make it inner query and say A. Let me come from here and I say select from. And from here, I gotta get the periods of years in revenue. And from here, I select revenue over partition by period of years, and analyze it year over year revenue. Let me make it this revenue. Let me check that. Or where is the wrong over here? Let's like, or partition by, let me take order by. So order by this, let me get that. Or let me make it so I don't want to see is null. I just want to erase it as make it 0. So let me get that to see. Now this is going to be over here. Now we have a now let me get that in the revenue, and I got that. Okay, let me copy the whole, paste it over here. Let me get that. Okay, I don't need this over here. That's it. I don't need this as well. From here, I'm gonna subtract. Yeah, subtract, and this diff year over year revenue. Now we got the same. Yup, we got that. Paste it over here, but we're gonna divide this and say diff year and we say percentage. So now I think everything is okay. We come over here. Let me do this. Run. Let me take this. minus 1. So let me come over here and see. Now we have a year, we have an answer, the year over year, the whole years of the company. For example, we got a period of years over here, and we have a revenue, and we have a year over year revenue over here. For example, it can be definitely seen that we have a significantly increased period of years till 2019, and we have a, you see, kind of moderate decrease by 2020 comparing to 2019. For example, for 2017 we have this revenue, and for 2018 we have this revenue, and you see that we have over almost 65 percentage we have got an increase in our sales. And coming to our next year, so we have got a revenue for this, and the last year for 2018 is going to be this. We are just comparing 2019 with 2018. And over here we see also we have a roughly increased by 68 percentage, but exclusively we have a decrease in our sales amount by almost 22 percentage for the year 2020 comparing the year 2019. So we got the answer for this question. Let me make it more readable. I mean, the query, and now what is the question? It's going to be fees. Now let me get the order, copy this and come over here and paste it over here. Let me make a border first. I do the border first and paste it over here. So what is the best months for sales in a specific year? So to do that, I'm gonna do select, let's do from fact internet sales, and let me get that all so I can see the tables. Yes, the second table is going to be as dim date. We have a year and months. Let me get that and run the query, and from here we got the order date key. This is sales amount, and from our second table we got date key. Let's get full date key. From here select from and do the same. Come over here and erase it there. Left join. Say, oh sorry. It's going to be, let me get that. From there is something wrong. Select from dim date. And from here we select the key. Yeah, that's going to be got that. From the date key, and it's going to be where is our second? We come over here for where is the full date alternate key. Think up is going to be this. And let me erase it. Oh, sorry, what is going on? Just select from the date. Let me come over here, and from here I'm gonna select. From here I'm gonna select the key, and full date alternate key. Press B. I'm gonna make a left join and say on a on a order date key, order date key equal to b b date key, select from uh, select from we got that, copy these, we say months, paste it over here, months of, yeah, let me call it period of months, period of months, say sales some sales amount as revenue. And I got that first. This one is full date alternate key. There's a problem over here. Let me get that. Paste it over here. Let me see this again. Select from the date. Team date. Yeah, full date alternate key, full date alternate key. Yeah, I got the same. What is the problem? Full date, yep. Alternate key. I paste over here and let me check that. Oh, sorry, I forget to group by from this. Yeah, let me copy this and paste it over here. So let me get that. Now we got the here. Let me get from here so that we got the select from the date. It's correct. And we got from here. So to sort the number year, months number of year. We got from here months number of year. That's going to be as well important. We got that. Control C and let me come over here, paste it over here and just do this. Okay, and paste it as well over here. So and here we say let me make a new query. So I type got that from here and I paste it over here. So anyway, and now we got this. Yep. Okay. So I got this now. Let me check that. Now we have everything is fine over here. And now let me make this round. Get that. Make it to decimals as revenue. It's okay now. And it's going to be not months, but say date name. Yeah, date name. Oh, oops, we got that from here. Date name. We got over here. You say months, and then we got this full alternate date key as period of first period of months. We got this Okay, we got that. Let me run the query. Oh, sorry, we got that from here. Copy these and paste it over here. So now let me see that. Okay, we got in Russian. We can just get the, instead of this, we get the month's, English month's name. Let's get that. English month's name. Well, you know, my SQL server is SQL, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is, the system is in Russian language, so that when I get date name, it shows in Russian language, but I want to show it in English. So that's why I'm just getting the English month's name instead of full date alternate key. And from here, I'm gonna get this over here, and I'm gonna get this, and I just get English month's name, and that's going to be more. And I'm gonna get that, copy this, and paste it over here. So we got that. Let me run the query now. Now it's okay. Now let me make a city. I say with city as, you know, open. From here, I say select from city E, and from here we're gonna get the, well, let me do this again. Full, well, let's say where year, and we got the year, and we say full, where the year. Oh, we need anyway this over here. We say full alternate date key, and we say full alternate date key equal to, for example, 2020, and we see what is the best month. Yeah, okay, now we got that. We select from city, and now from here we'll choose the English months. Yeah, from here we say English months name, and we got the revenue, and we say order by revenue descending. What is the problem? Yep. Everything should be fine. English one's name is going to be, let me do this as it is. So I'm not going to change that. So now let me come city and run this. And let's order by, no, we don't need order by this. So now let's get the, to see clearly. So I said, let me make a format so I can see clearly the numbers. C0 as revenue. Now I come from here and I run the query. Yeah, we got that. And this is going to be the highest way. And we got the yup. Yup. Let me get the format. And this is going to be for February. Let's get this and delete this. I think now everything is fine. Let me run the query once more again. Yep. Go up. So it's going to be May. And let me do ascending. So this is going to be ascending. That's going to be June. Yeah, right. So let me get that, execute this, and what is the best month for sales in a specific year? For example, for 2020, we have a best sale month is May, and then April, and so on. Let's see for 2019. And we got for 2019, and we see for 2019, the best sale month is November, and we can even get the over here. We say top one, and we get the oh sorry, I got from here. I said top one, and we got the best. That's going to be November for 2019. For example, for 2018, we just see for 2018 what is going to be. For 2018, this is going to be March. Let me get the top. So to see for 2018 in the whole, for example, that's going to be March, and the second one is May. So we answered to this question, and that's the sixth. And the next question is going to be, so copy these and paste over here. Let me get that. And it's going to be to find out the total amount of revenue discount of the company by promotion type. So we have to find out the revenue discount. So to do this, it says select from the promotion. Yep, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let me do this and select from internet sales. Let me run both of them. So to get the specific columns from each tables. So I'm not going to join the whole table to each other. I'm just going to get the specific columns. Now promotion key, yeah, say promotion key is sales amount from our first table, and from our second table we got definitely promotion key, so we can join tables, and there's going to be English promotion name and English promotion category. So from here, say select from and erase it. Sorry, erase it. A, here's a left join, and then erase it. B on A promotion key equal to B promotion key. The sync is here. We have to also take the discount percentage from here. Yep, definitely. I forgot to get this since we need to find out discount percentage. So that's going to be discount percentage. So we got this all. Now we got what? Now we got English promotion name. Yeah, we got the English promotion name and the English promotion category. Then we got sales amount. Then we got sales amount multiplied to 1 minus discount percentage, as we say discount sales. Yeah, let me lace it at this discount sales. Yep, I think we got this all. Let me run the query. And we got the say so. Discount sales. It's okay now. Now I'm getting this as a whole query. In the query in here, I'm gonna say select from English promotion name. Erase it. Sorry. Here I say English promotion name, promotion type, or promotion name. Yeah. So then we got the sum, and we say sum sales amount as revenue, and the second one is going to be some discount this sales, and it's going to be as it is. Let me copy this and paste it over here, and the third is going to be some we got revenue. Sorry, we got the sales amount, minus some, yeah, this sales, and it's going to be as total discount sales. Let me place it like this. Now I come over here and I say group by English promotion name, copy, paste it over here, and then run the query over here. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Now, okay, now I forgot to do this readable. So let me do this like this. Now it's okay, it's okay. Now we are coming to our third one. So let me round the total discount this and say round, make it to decimals. Let me run again. And we got also say where English promotion name not equal to, so no discount. We got that, execute this. Discount sales. Let me make this also round. Since it's not seems to be decimals are too much. I think now it's okay. Okay. Now we have a revenue and we have discount sales, and we're just subtracting these. And the highest one, let us see, order by total discount descending. Let me do this. Yeah, check that. So the highest discount for the volume discount 11 to 15, and the second one is the second discount for towering 1000 promotion, and the third discount is this, and the first one is going to be this. And let me see the overall. Yep. To see the overall, I can just get that, I think, or not. Let me check that. Say some, oh, total, some. Okay. To do this, I get the query and do something else. But it's absolutely possible to get that all. I can just do this like, with CD as well. So to get the total discount sales, we can even calculate this. Okay, let me do as I got that. CD as, got that. Just get that. Select from CD, and it says some total discount. Let me get that. The query. Oh, sorry. From, okay. Let me do this, get the same. Just, we got this, and then we got that. What is going on? Here, I just got that. Yeah, now I can do this. Is CTE as I open, close, and I say select from CTE, and I get the sum. And from here, I say total discount, make it round, not round, but sorry, but format, and say this so we can clearly see that around the query. So the currency is in Russian, but it should be in English. Let me over here and say again set language English. And I got that first, and then run the query. So we got a total discount 48,530. It's okay now. But anyway, we don't this, we don't need this, and we don't need this. So and we don't just got that, and we just run the query. Now it's okay. So we got the question, and now we'll come to our next question, or what is the months over months of the year for the year 2019. Yeah, let's do not of the year, but for the year 2019. That's going to be our eighth question. Let me make this beautiful. So the query, now it's much more readable. Let's make border from over here. Let's come to our eighth question. And this is going to be, so what is the months over months for the year 2019? So to do that, I'm gonna again join two tables, and the first one is fact internet sales, and the second one is team date. So now let me select all from fact internet sales and select from team date. Let me run the whole query. So from here we got do the same. So now from fact we got the order date, the order date key, and we say sales amount. I think that's enough. And from all this we say date key, and we say English month's name. Let's get the calendar year, and then get year month number of year to sort. So to sort the months, from here it says select from, and got the A, and select join, and come over here and say B on A, or the date key equal to B date key, and months over months. Yeah, from here we got the English month's name, and then we got the month number of the year, and then we got some, let's do this, sales amount as revenue, and we come over here, say group by what this by both of them, and I paste it over here, and let me just run the query. Yeah, we can then order by month number of the year, so it will be sorted correctly, English month's name. Okay, now from here we say where, yeah, calendar year equal to 2019. Yep, 2019. And let me round this as well, so and make it to decimals. So it's okay now. Now it's okay. January, February, yeah, okay. Now let me make a CTE. I say with CTE as we open the parentheses, we come over here, close the parentheses, and here I say select from CTE, from CTE. Check, we got that all. With CTE, yep. Yeah, we got all. Now I got the English, yep. English. What's up? What is going on from here? Just paste it. Let me see that again. Yeah, okay, English month's name. And we got the revenue, sorry, revenue. And then we say like months over months to do this revenue, and then we say over, and then we got that uh, partition by English month's name, and we say months over months revenue. Maybe this revenue. We come here, say, run the query. Let me do this. Yeah, order by. Yeah, sorry, order by. Yeah, let me get again that. Now, okay. Now we have this and this going to be for 2019. Yeah, okay. Now we come just get that all, copy these, paste it over here, just subtract the revenue. We say diff, so diff months over months revenue, and to get the same and paste it over here, and we just subtract. So to get the percentage here from here, subtract 1, and that's going to be this. Yeah, necessary from here, we just get that. So to see how it looks like. Now we have, let me make this just comment so we see how it looks like in total. Yeah, that's going to be total. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, now let me get that and run again. Now we have a months for 2019. Here the revenue, here the months over months revenue, here the difference. Now, so here the percentage, for example, comparing for example the revenue for August comparing the April, we have, you see that significantly increase. In December, we have also slightly increased by a certain percentage containing the August, so and so on. That's going to be for 2019. We can even see for 2018, for example. Just come here, you got that. That's going to be for 2018. Let's see for 2020 because we do not have the full months for 2020. Yeah, that's going to be April, February, January, June. Oh, sorry. And let's order by. Oh, no, let me not order by. Yep, and let me get for 2018. Just want to see something from here. Oh, we definitely need order by number of, yeah. I just want to paste it over here. Oh, we can just even get that from here. Let me get that first, see how it looks. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's sorted by month number of the year. Now English month name is sorted correctly. Now we have January, February, March for 2018. Let's see for 2019 how it looks like. We got that. That's going to be for 2019. It's okay. Now let's see for 2020. Got that. Sorry, let me come over here around that. Yes, January, February, it's okay. Yeah, we can even take some years together. For example, if you want to see in 20, let's do 2018, including 2019, for example. the whole. Let me get that around the query. That's going to be for both years, 2018 and 2019. But in the question we have for 2019, and let's get that, see, and let's get that equal to 2019. Let me run the query again. It's going to be for 2019. Let's make it more beautiful. So it's okay now. And the last question, not the last, but before the last, let me see. Oh, we have two questions left. Let me make a little bit break. Then after break, I will try to solve the last other two questions to answer them. So let me make a break. So let's go further. Over here, I know it's a mistake. From here, we have a January, and the January comes over here. In this is going to be, yeah, now everything is correct. If I'm not mistaken, it's coming to over here. Yep, right. So we just English month's name, January, February. Yep, the name come over here. Yes, ordered by. Let me run the whole query again once more to see that. So yeah, over here we have got a mistake because when we order by month number in the English month name is not coming the same, because this revenue should have come to this, and January should come for February, but we don't have this. So we can just get the order number to avoid this mistake, and from here we go up and we'll order by month number. Let me do this. Paste it over here into this, the same, and this is going to be for the same this. Now let's come to whole query, and we're gonna select the whole query in the RAM. Now we have corrected this. For example, January coming over here, in February, that's going to be month over month revenue. So it's okay. Now let's go further to answer our two last questions. Let me copy both of them. Paste it over here and just do this. Make it border just for this one, and get that a little bit down. So now what is a month over months by country and calendar year? So to do that, so for months over months we have to use dim date. For country we have to use sales territory table, and for calendar we have to use dim date exactly. For revenue we have to use, so we're going to join three tables. That's going to be select from fact internet sales, and the second going to be select from the date, and the third one is going to be select from dim sales territory key. Let me run the whole query and see that. So to do that, from here, let me get the specific columns that I need from fact internet sales. So the first is going to be order date key. So we can join sales amount, and let me get the second sales territory key, and there's going to be sales amount. These columns will take from fact internet sales, and the second we're going to get from dim date. That's going to be date key and English month's name. That's going to be English month's name, and it's going to be calendar year, and then there's going to be year month number of year, if I'm not mistaken. This enough. Let me get that over here, and from the seal territory key, from here we got the, where is our third sales territory key, so that we can join the tables, and you got sales country. Let me say sales territory country. I think this okay now, and from here it says select from, and I come home and make it A, and from here I say left, sorry, left join, and I got that. I got B on A, going to be here, order date key equal to B date key. And here we say left join again, and well, place it as C, and then say on A cells territory key equal to B to C cells territory key. So now we got the all in. From here we going to get what? Let me months over months. So revenue. To do that, we're going to get the first country up, and the second one is calendar year, and the third one is English month's name, and the last one is going to be some sales amount as revenue. And let's get us as well year month's number. Let me do this with a comma over here and say month's number of year. I think is everything fine. Let me make it round, so round. So I don't like to be much decimals over there. And let me get that all. I just copy these and say group by and paste it over here. And let me just run the whole query. Now we have, yeah, everything is fine. Yep, definitely. We have a country, calendar year, in English month's name. Okay, let me make this the whole query. That's going to be inner query, and alias it as A. And from here I say select from, and from here I'm gonna get this all English month's name, copy, paste it over here, and then get the revenue. Then I come over here, I say lag, say lag revenue over partition by partition by partition by sales territory key. Oh, let me take partition by calendar year, partition by calendar year. Yeah, let me get that. Let me calendar year, and then yep. Let me get that first. Change this calendar year. Copy. Let me cut this. Paste it over here. So I just don't like to be like this. I got that. Let me see again how it looks like. Sorry. What is wrong? From here. I got to delete the comma. I come again and run the query. Now it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Up. United Kingdom. No, let me again do this. Let me get that. So I just want to make sure that I'm going for the right. Australia, United States is now by calendar year. And then it's going to be July, March. So let me get that. Okay, let me go for a further so then I can see the overall picture. Then I select and there's going to be revenue. Yep, that's going to be sales amount. There's over and then we got the partition by sales territory key. Let's do get this. Over here and say order by months number of year as months over months revenue. Let's place it like this. Let me go and see how it looks like. Oh, do we need a group by? Oh, sorry, we got that from here. It will just delete that. Cut from here. We got this. Up. We got that. Comma. Paste it here. And that's going to be revenue. Yeah. Now it's okay. Let me come run the query. Now it's okay. Yeah. It comes here. It comes here. It comes here. It comes here. There's going to be the whole for Australia in let's come. So for 20,000 January, yeah, they're all coming exactly the same as we expected. For example, it comes till 2017 here, and this is going to be from since we partition it by year, calendar year, in here for 2018. Is going over here. Yeah, exactly. That's definitely what we expect. So now we just go a little bit upper from here and then we come over here. We'll just copy as we did before. Just get the whole. Yeah. Let me get the revenue as well. Copy and paste it over here and I subtract the revenue from this. And that's going to be difference. Yep, diff. And the last one, I just delete the comma, and I'm gonna just divide by this and -1, and that's going to be percentage. Let me get the over here say percentage months over months revenue. Then we got the whole. Let me run the query. Yep, now it's absolutely okay. July, August for 2017, and from 2018, January, February, right? January's coming year, February here, yeah. So now we got the result as we wanted. So it's okay. The thing is left over here. Let me make it more readable. I mean, this query. It's okay. It's okay. Yep. So let's go our last question. And what is our last question over here? We'll just go up a little bit. And from here, we'll just make a border. Who the best customer? This could be answered RFM. Let me see the RFM. What is it? Just see RFM analysis. We can reach this by RFM analysis. For example, we just go over here. And here you see that RFM analysis is a type of customer segmentations and behavioral touching used to help business rank, segment, and so on. Over here we see recency, frequency, monetary value, and so that. What is the purpose of RFM analysis? So now we will reach this by RFM analysis. So to do that, so the best customer. So If we have a customer, then we have to select the customer table. So the first thing, get all tables, select from fact internet sales and select from the customer. Yeah, customer. Let me run them, both of them. So now I'm gonna select columns from each tables. I'm not gonna, as I said before, join the whole table. So select from sales order number. We got this, yep. Sales order number. That's definitely what we'd like to get. And the second is order date, and then order date Q1. That's going to be the second thing. And what else? We'll get the sales amount and customer key, so we can join table with customer. And what else? I think that's enough. From here we'll get customer key, so we can join tables, as I said. And here we say, yeah, the first, sorry, that's going to be first name, and it's going to be last name, and to be middle name. I think this is enough. Now we come here, we say select from, and let me make it so it's sorry A, and we say join B, because we got all. Now I get the concat this, and that's going to be space, and from here I got the first name, then I got the last name, and then I got the middle name, yep, and as name customer name. So from here, then I got the count sales order number as frequency, and then the second will get sum sales amount as monetary value, and the third is going to be max. We got the order date Q1 is last order date, and the last one is going to be select from fact internet sales, and it's like max, and we got the order date key, say as max date, and then here we say date diff, we got the max, sorry, max, we say date, and we say max, it's going to be order, max order. Let me copy that max order date, paste it over here, name, it's going to be the last select, let me do this, open, and it's going to be close it, and from here say from fact internet sales, let me say max, say order, let me copy these, and paste it over here. I think now it's okay. And it's going to be frequency, lazy test frequency. So now I think I got all. Let me check that. Run the query near the beer. We have it near the B. So let me see that. Check that. So that's going to be on a um, customer key. Yep, equal to B customer key. So max order date key, or there's going to be one. Let me copy, paste it over here in the same for here. And yeah, I think now is everything is fine. Let me come over here and see. Oh, yeah, okay, I see what you mean. I forgot over here to say group by. Yeah, that. Copy these and I paste it over here. So let me run the query. Now it's okay. Value, that's going to be like, yeah. Okay, now we got that all. Yeah, let me lazy twist. Say RFM. Let's make it RFM. Open as open parentheses. And from here we got here, just say that. And here we got select all from RFM. And here we got the say in tile that's going to be 4, and that's going to be 4 in tile 4, and say order over, order by, recency up. No, this is going to be recency. Sorry, we get that. Paste it here, and we say descending. Yeah, that's, yeah. And then we got this lazy as FM recency, and then the second is going to be the same. We say in tile bar 4, and it's going to be over. Let me make it over order by. That's going to be ordered by frequency of frequency as FM frequency, and the last going to be for order by this one. That's paste it over here and say LFM and paste over here this. Let me open this and say LFM calc. Yes. Open this, make a new city over here. Just get that. We got that. And then we select from RFM. Let me make a calc to see so how it looks like all. Let me come execute these. Entirely is not this is going to be here. I did not pay attention to that. Now I think it's okay. Yep. Just to why we don't need this. Let me get over to check. Yeah, everything is fine from here. And the thing here I'm gonna do is here I say LFM frequency plus LFM then paste, copy, paste over here, and I say LFM, and it is LFM, and then LFM as lays it as LFM cells. Now let me get that, and I say concat, let's say cast, we got RFM, RFM recency as char plus we say cast, make it convert the data type from the integer to varchar in the RFM. We got the frequency as char, and the last one is going to be, let's make it this convert, it's going to be varchar, and this is going to be rfm, and we say that rfm string cell string or rfm, let me do this, rfm string cell. So now we got that, and let's make a create a temporary table. Here I say into rfm, and just make a create a temporary table. From here I say drop table if exists. We didn't get the, let's make it rfm and paste it over here. Now we got over here, and then run the query. Okay, I think definitely have that. Now select from our temporary table from, let me make that and get this, run the whole query. Now we have everything is fine. Yep, definitely we got that, and from here we just get that, got the we'll got the customer name, and then we got RFM, RFM recency, then we got frequency, and from here we got the and then we'll come over here, and I've got a template from here, case statement. I just got that, so I paste it over here. Everything is fine. Now I write the I run the query for temporary, for our temporary table. Now, sorry, what is wrong over here? Yup. I think everything is fine. Select customer name, fan, cell string. Yeah, everything should be fine, I guess. Yup. Select case when. Yup. In. Then lost. Yeah, customers. I got one from. We got the from little bit above, maybe. So to check that, invalid call name rfm cell string. What? That's a problem. Let me get that and paste it over here. Maybe I got something wrong over here. No, yes, everything should be fine. Paste, paste. paste. Yep. What is wrong? Should not be like that. Let me see. The problems over here is I see that, you know, in my template, this one is, the name is RFM string cell. Here is the RFM cell string. Let me get that. Copy for this. So that's going to be that. And it's going to be that. It's going to be that. And that's going to be that. And that's going to be that. Then I think is everything fine. Let me come a little bit. Sorry, do this. And select this temporary table, execute the temporary table. Now here we can see that our full customer name, let me get the customer name first. Here we see that just off here, forgot to do that. So that, let me come over here and do that until here. Execute this. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, then I'll change this. Let me get the okay, now we have a customer name over here, full customer names, and we have a RFM recency and frequency and monetary value. For example, here we see that we have customers, lost customers, this one is new customers, and so that, for example, if you want to see that, where we have a segment says RFM. Yep. You see, let us get that. Let's come here. You got this Swiss city as open this, or we can just no problem. Or we can just make it query, and then here's a select all from CTE. CTE. Look at that. Come here. Yep. Okay. It's okay. Where FM segment equal to let's make this equal to new customers. Yep, should be like that if I'm not mistaken. Let me make this. If it is our new customer, let me get that like this. Potential children's that, got that. So let me get that. Let me get this copy and paste it over here. And we say, then we say, let me make it new customers. Yep, it was like that if I'm not mistaken. So now we see that we have a new customers, and then frequency, and the money they spend is, we have intelligent. Over here we say we have a loyal, we can even say the loyal, let's see, our loyal customers. Let me get that, copy this. Now here our loyal customers. So that's all what I need to do for data exploration in SQL. I need to mention once more again, this is another tutorial video, so I'm not gonna teach anyone. That's just demonstrating my skills in SQL concerning the data exploration. So now let me get that out.